Hello everyone, let's analyze XAUUSD chart. On the daily chart, we can see that price has rejected from a fair value gap, so our bias stays bullish, unless price closes below the gap with strong momentum. Looking at the 4-hour chart, price is around the 50% Fibonacci level, with a gap near the 25% level. This gives us two possible scenarios. The first scenario is higher risk, but also higher probability. Price could reject from the 50% level and move up toward the previous high or the upper limit of the channel. The second scenario carries lower risk and lower probability. Price might break the support and move down toward the area where the 25% level and the gap overlap. If the support holds there, price could then rise back to the previous high and continue toward the upper limit of the channel. Keep an eye on these levels for potential entries and risk management. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content.